for KSI State and Central Exam. Today's important notes and questions are: Tirupura's first ever SEZ. First ever Special Economic Zone SEZ was laid to foundation stone by the Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb at Sabarum, which is the southernmost town of the state bordering Bangladesh. Key point: it is around 120 km from Agartala. It would emerge as the commercial capital of the northeast. SEZ would be set up at Jalifa. Next important question is: first important question is, India has agreed on a 5-point plan with which neighboring country to resolve border issues? The correct answer is China. Next important question is: second important question is, which Indian city is to play host to the Asia's largest aero show, Aero India 21? The correct answer is Bangalore. Next important notes is: next important question is, which country is holding a naval exercise named Zulfikar 99 in the Sea of Oman? The correct answer is Iran. Next important notes is: Hindi Divas is being observed across the country. Hindi Divas is being celebrated across the country today, September 14, 2020. The Constituent Assembly had adopted Hindi written in Davangere as the official language of the country in 1949. Presently, Hindi is among the world's most spoken languages. It is the first language of more than 520 million people across the world. Background constitute. Next important notes is: GK Today presents daily digest of top current affairs covering major news updates of the day. Here are the morning updates for current affairs of 14 September 2020. Monsoon session of Parliament to commence today. 18 today monsoon session is to be in today. This is the first Parliament session held amid the COVID-19 pandemic. All safety measures. Next important notes is: GK Today presents daily digest of top current affairs covering major news updates of the day. Here are the evening updates for current affairs of 12 September 2020. Yes, Jaishankar virtually attends start of intra-Afghan talks in Doha, India. Participated the State of India-Afghan talks in Doha, where a senior official participated in personal and the external. Next important notes is: Industries Minister Pardesi Lal Meena said that Rajasthan's Department of Industries and SIDBI partnered on September 12, 2020 to provide financial, technical, marketing and export support to micro, small and medium enterprises. MSMEs in the state. Highlights: the Small Industries Development Bank of India SIDBI has signed a memorandum of understanding MOU with Rajasthan government. Rajasthan partners with SIDBI to develop MSMEs. Moody's receives estimate of India's growth. Global rating agency Moody's has received its forecast of India's growth. It has estimated a double-digit contraction to be at 11.5% during the current fiscal year. Key facts: it has raised its expectations of economic performance in the upcoming financial to 10.6% from 8.7% earlier. Moody's cited that the lockdown has impacted the economic severely. Thank you, my dear friends. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you, my dear friends, once again.